There's a tissue inside. It's like 7.5.
Wait.
Or you're gonna go home later.
Okay, you turn. Oh, wait.
Don't make it stink. We have to return that. No, I'll take it. It's still big. Wait, is it a big stink?
Mot, put it as girl.
Are you saying she has sticky feet? Yeah.
Wait.
Bye, Dad. Bye. Thank you po.
Try na. Yeah, practice.
Seriously?
Bye. Look at that. Let's just.
Ilagay mo lahat yung stock.
Oh, that size is inaccurate.
That size is inaccurate.
But we can change it, right?
Yeah.
No. Because they only have a 5 or 8.
That's the last pair.
And here's our matching socks. So one day we're all purple.